Sup, we're back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's my new Amtrak Midwest Siemens Charger locomotive, an HO scale model. Here we go. I know this is Milwaukee. Let me know in the comments if it's possible to change the destination trains at. Right now it's set to Milwaukee default. So I don't know if you have to get a specific model to say Chicago or what, but let me know in the description. Hold on. About see if I can get a closer, better visual on that. Can't really see it, but it says right now, it says Milwaukee, Wisconsin on it. I want Chicago. So I'm wondering if there's any way, if any of you out there know how to change that in the settings, comment me how to do so in the link in the comments down below. Anyway, let's get running on this locomotive. The shorter passenger car, because my Amtrak passenger car I have there, it's too big for its layout. Too many tight curves. Back this way. See, I'm still working on the woods here. Still working on a lot of scenery. Pretty cool, guys, is it? I got it pretty early, couple months early, Christmas present. Early Christmas present I got to open yesterday. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, guys, stay tuned for more model train layout update videos in the future. Ralph and Landon out.
Now arriving on track 1, southbound train 183. Please have your identification and tickets ready when boarding the train. Have a pleasant trip.
Pretty cool, is it, guys? I'm gonna blow up just a little bit more. That's a little much. Okay, come on, stop. There we go. How realistic you think this engine looks? I don't know why it's ever like that, but what up? It's 5. Oh.
Your attention, please. Now departing on track 2, northbound train number 130. Passengers are advised to proceed to track 2 at this time. All aboard.
Pretty cool. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Visit this. I'm Ralph and Landon. Ralph and Landon out.